Hello and welcome to CrystalCraftswithdee. I have an unboxing today from KaiserCrafts with their own brand of diamond painting. They call them the Kaiser Sparkle Kits. They come in these beautiful boxes. They're nice and sturdy, really thick. And inside they actually show you what comes inside. So you've got what the kit includes. I love how they've got the thumbnail and what it's called. So we've got the Monarch butterfly, and it has a design size which is 54 by 44 centimeters, and the canvas size is 60 by 50. This is probably my favorite size of diamond painting. It's not too small, but it's not too big, and you get some really good definition in there too. So I love this size. On the box too, they show you a sample of what you're getting, which I really like. Actually, you can get a good idea on how yours is going to turn out by having a look at the box. So no nasty surprises. On the back of the box, you've got instructions on how to create your diamond painting, which is really good. So there you go, that's your box. So I got this one from KaiserCraft's store in Mildura, Victoria. It's a brilliant store. The staff are excellent, and they have heaps to choose from of your sparkle kits. And they have a couple of different sized ones, sort of depending on what you want. And the prices are very good. So I got this one on special, but I'll be definitely getting more and more and more. So let's get stuck into this and have a look and see. So it is sealed on your edges there, but I've already cut those because it takes me forever to get into these boxes. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's in the box. Okay. So there's your canvas. Comes in this plastic sleeve. You can already see the clarity of your symbols. Wow, that's bright and colorful. So it comes in this plastic sleeve, which I like. Keeps the dust, moisture and stuff off of it. And get in there and have a look. There we go. Now, which way's up? This way. So the canvases are nice and pliable. They're thick and they feel good. They're good quality, which I really like. I like these diamond kits because they are good quality. Your drills, your canvas, I'm really happy with these actually. And they're not expensive, which is a bonus. Alright, so we've got a little bit crunched on the... So when they've obviously rolled it, they've folded him over a bit, but I'll put him under some books and that should iron that out. So you get your toolkit and your drills. And that's the canvas. Wow, there's a lot going on there. Wowee, isn't that pretty? Oh gosh, I love it. I loved it on the box. I love it even more now. Wow. They actually had a couple of different butterfly ones, and I was not sure which one to get, but I'm glad I got this one. Wow. It's very colorful. Gosh, that's pretty. Beautiful. So there's 28 colors in this one. It is a full drill diamond painting, and it's got round drills. 28 colors, that's pretty cool. Gosh, isn't that pretty? So I'll do a sticky test. Go from the top. Yep, so that's nice and sticky. Alright, so I'll bring you down so you can have a look at that drill field. So, in we go. Okay, so you can see it's really clear. One thing with their symbols, or actually their they use numbers and letters, and I see one symbol on there. They are clear and easy to see, but once you get into the dark symbols, like these, they tend to put the dark background with black writing, which makes it really hard to see. It's no big deal if you're using a light pad, but for those people who don't have a light pad, it can be a little bit of a challenge. Not always, but it can be. So I reckon that's probably the worst part, is the middle of that flower there. But most of them are clear to see, so I'm not too fazed about that one. I do have a light pad. I do like how with the black, though, they use the white writing. Yeah, so that's great. And their canvases are good. The glue's really good too. You don't have drills falling off. You don't have drills slipping all over the place. Like, the glue's a good quality. So we come all the way over here, and I'll show you that symbol key. So you have your thumbnail in the corner there, and you've got your symbol key. So you have their symbol, their number, and also the DMC reference, which I like. Got numbers and letters, and one symbol down the bottom. I like that. I don't like symbols too much, but I reckon those are alright. That looks pretty good. Wow, that's great. Okay, so we'll zoom you back out again. Zooming out. Alright, with your symbol key, they have one up in your top left-hand corner, and you've got one in your bottom left-hand corner down there, which I really like. Both of them have your thumbnails. Too easy. Wow, loving that. All right, let's have a look at those drills. So your toolkit. So I've got a drill pen, I have a drill tray, I have a piece of wax in there, and some Ziploc bags, and a cushion grip thingy, and also on the end of this pen, show you a bit close up, you've got a multi-placer. Oops. That's what comes in the kit, and you get your drills as well. I love the colors. How colorful is that? Let's have a look. So on your packets, they actually say the number of the design, which is SA469. So if your canvas gets separated from your drills, there's no panic. You can cross-reference it with that. How do we get into this? There we go. Fair amount of drills. Okay. So these drills, I've done a couple of these diamond paintings now, and I'm really happy with the drills. They're uniform, they're cut very nicely, so they do pick up the light, and you get quite a bit of shine there, which I really like, and they're easy to work with. And the colors are nice too. That is number 7. There's 4 packs of that. Got some dark green and some pretty pinks. So many pretty colors. Pretty yellow, red and pink. And the second strip, some nice browny grey. And some pale yellow and pink. Some pretty greens. I like those. Yellow, pink. So we've got, this particular one, we've got some little contamination guys going on there. There you go. Nice drills. Okay, flip her back over again. So that's my Monarch butterflies. Really, really happy with that. Much nicer than I expected, actually. I love those colors. That is going to be really, really pretty. Looking forward to doing that one. So, my Monarch butterflies, 28 colors, 54 by 44 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting from KaiserCrafts. If you haven't checked them out, it would be fantastic if you did. They have stores all over Australia and online as well, and they've got fantastic quality diamond kits that I highly recommend. So this particular one, I will be doing in the future a video, separate video on this one, doing a work in progress and a review on this as well. So look out for that one in the not too distant future. But thank you so much for watching my video, and until then, I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.